Hi, what's going on YouTube? Today just want to talk about how can you create easy NFT for free. So I want to give you complete detail about that. Just you can follow me stepwise. I will be clarify everything about that. How can you make a NFT easily just on your laptop? And also if you want you can also use your mobile and create NFT in this one website. So I want to give you complete detail, and please make sure if you are new to the channel subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So first of all, if you want to create an NFT, you must have a if you use your laptop, so you simply install the Adobe Photoshop and you simply create a PNG files in different parts. Like right over here, I'm just to create the main head of the man, and you can see right here in PNG. You can see right over here, and after that I'm just creating different type of NFT right over here. Just want to open, and I'm select different type of helmets, and that's create to convert directly to the main PNG files. After that I just want to go to the main website. You can see right over here I'm already complete some important projects on that, and after that if you look to, I'm just adding a new project. But firstly I just want to introduce to this one rarimains. So first of all you must be open the rarimains.club, and after that you simply come to this one website, this one page. After that you simply click on that, and you can simply create on your projects. So if you click on that, you will be directly come to this one page, and you simply click on the add to new project. So I'm just waiting for that, and if you click on that, after it you'll be able to create a new projects on that. So right here over here you can see, first of all you simply click on the add to groups, and if you click on that, so I'm just NFT of park. So I'm just clicking on that, and you can also right over here, and because I'm also wear the mask to that, because this situation is right now you can see all almost are COVID attacks, so that's why I am create and also place the mask on that. And after that you simply click on the down arrow, and you simply click on the add layer. So if you click on that, so you can add different type of background, but your file must be in PNG. After it you will be able to add different type of layers, and after that you will be success your NFT easily. So I'm adding different type of layer right over here. Just write background. If you click on that, after that I just want to click on enter button, and if you click on that you can see this is add, and I'm adding different type of hairs, and if you enter, so you can see right over here I'm create different type of the NFT. You can see background, hair, suit and shoulder, skin, mask and access as well as you can see right over here I'm creating different part of the NFT. So first of all you simply click on the background. So if you click on that, you directly come to the main, from where you can create a different type of background. So I'm just gonna to copy that, and you can see right over here, just scroll to the main website and drop file here, and after that I just want to click on the hair, and I'm come back to the main hairs folder. You can see right over here I just want to click on that, and after that I'm not adding the hair right now, so I'm just clicking on the mask. Right now I just wanted to open the mask, and I want to delete this one layer because I didn't want to add the hair. So if you don't want to, you simply delete this one, delete hair if you. So I'm directly this from here, delete hair. So you can see right over I'm delete this one layer, and after that again I just want to go to the main background folder, and I want to copy that, come to the website and drop the file right over here, and again to the suit button, and if you click on the suit button, after that again you can come to the main suit folder. So you can select stepwise all. So you can see right over here, you can see select different. Right here I just want to go to the main shoulder, So I'm going to the shoulder, and after that I just want to go and place right over here. So you can see I'm adding all the parts of the NFT stepwise. First of all, I'm just adding the background just to copy the main images from the folders to the two websites, and after that you can see I'm just copying the suits and shoulders. So to complete this all these steps, you simply click on the generate images. So if you click on that, you'll they will be give you some different type of options. So you can see right here, you can first of all they just want to ask for one to new ways to sell NFTs. So if you want to sell NFTs, so you simply sell this NFT on OpenSea and as well as in Binance and MetaMask. So this is all detail about that, how can you create an NFT. So I mentioned in the main thumbnail, you can generate just in 10 minutes almost 10,000 NFT 100% for free. But I just want to create almost 100 NFT right now. And if you want to create this NFT on ERC721 network, so you simply click on that. And if you want to create on Solana network, so you simply click on this one options. So I at the end of this video just want to click on the generate button, and you simply wait for that. They just want to generate the NFTs, and they take almost 1-2 minutes. It's all depend upon your internet connection. And please make sure, if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel for more interesting video, and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. And first of all, you can see right over here our NFT are created. You can see they just want to generate the main NFTs almost 100, and this is done, and they just want to send me on the file of zip, and just want to go to download, and I want to copy that from here, and then I'm directly come to the main right over here. I just want to open a new folder and go to this folder, and after that just want to paste that. And if you click on that, you simply click on the extract button, extract here. See, if you click on that, after that you will be able to see your all NFT. You can create almost 100 NFT just in 10 minutes. You can see right over here. If you look to this NFT, I'm just waiting for that, and I want to show you all the NFTs right over here. This is all the NFT, and you can see the look of this NFT is too much better. So if you place this sell almost 0.01 Ethereum, so it will be easy to sell out from your account. So this is all detail about that, how can you create an NFT. And it is a common question, because there are some people who are talking about it, how can we create a part in Adobe Photoshop of NFT. So first of all, you can select any type of head or shoulder, like or here I'm just selecting that, and after that you simply go to file and click on the save as button. And if you click on that, so you simply scroll down and select the PNG. So if you select the PNG file, so you will be able to save them on your PC easily. So this is all detail about that, how can you create a NFT 100% for free. And you can see I'm generating almost 100 NFT just in 10 minutes. And if you want to get a more high potential projects, so I'm also talking about that in my channel. You can see right over here, just want to open my channel just for some time, and right here just want to open my channel, and you can see right over here I'm uploaded different type of, I take the different type of project who I have a more and more potential in upcoming time. So this is all detail about that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Thanks a lot.